Hello everyone. Success is the sum of small efforts repeated day in and day out. And I truly believe in this principle. My name is Sheela Golasangi and I am from Belagavi, Karnataka. I completed my Bachelor of Engineering in Electronics and Communication Engineering from Alva Institute of Engineering and Technology in 2020. After completing my studies, I was determined to secure promising career in the IT industry. While exploring opportunities and I searching for the right guidance, I came to know about Evision Technoserve Pvt Ltd through a friend. Without a second thought, I decided to join their program and it turned out to be one of the best decisions in my life. Evision Technoserve is an esteemed IT recruitment and consulting company that focuses on bridging the gap between aspiring professionals and the dynamic IT industry. Their mission to train and mentor candidates for industry readiness is truly remarkable. During my time with Evision, I gained extensive knowledge and skills in various IT technologies. I learned the fundamentals of networking, virtualization, Windows administration, CCNA, ITIL, network security, Windows Server, and the several other critical IT concepts. The training program was designed with a hands-on practical exposure, which enhanced my confidence and technical expertise. One of the highlight of my journey with Evision was a series of mock interview sessions they conducted. These sessions were immensely helpful in preparing me for real world interviews. With the skills and confidence I gained, I was able to crack my very first interview successfully. And I am thrilled to share that I have now secured a position in Fidelis Technology Private Limited with a package of 2.8 LPA, fulfilling my dream of establishing a career in the IT sector. I owe my success to the incredible team at the Evision Technoserve from the bottom of my heart. I extend my deepest gratitude to the entire team for their support and guidance throughout this journey. Especially thanks to the Bibhushit sir, Rahul sir, Ashutosh sir, Sumita ma'am, Deepti ma'am, Priya ma'am, Sati ma'am, and Ganesh sir for their invaluable contributions in shaping my career. To anyone who is looking for a strong start in their IT career, I wholeheartedly recommend Evision Technoserve as the ideal platform to begin your journey. Their structured programs, combined with the dedication of their mentors, provide the perfect foundation for success. Evision is not just an institute; it is a launchpad for a building your careers dreams and stepping confidently into the professional world. Once again, I extend my heartfelt thanks to the Evision for turning my aspirations into reality. I'm truly grateful and excited to embark on this new chapter of my career. Thank you so much.